Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Please follow, like, and share.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Nabog na siya.
I just moved in last Monday, but then again I went to have some rest day because I have some fever
Lo,
and I cannot be able to go to work.
that's English.
Yeah, that's English. So you have to know that thing.
Yes.
I can say this fun. I just bought this.
Look at his room.
Yeah, come on, let's put some movies.
Yes.
I know that this room is kind of messy right now.
Yeah.
But then again,
Look at this bed. That's the folding bed that he bought to me.
actually, my dad bought this one. And this one, I just bought this from Sam. Downstairs, the guy.
Lo,
And then, yeah.
shout out to Sam.
Hey, Sam, thank you so much for bringing me this one. I really appreciate it.
Okay.
And you even bought my favorite color, which is
No.
pink.
Pink.
And actually, I did not wrote this one. I'm not part of the group of the 69. I don't know what this means. This number is
Yay.
and patutuya.
That's Choi. Shout out to Choi.
Actually, his friend just moved out from Corrales Extension, and I know he was a bit sad because he was just left, and he don't have any friend to say, "Pare kong barako, there's no more pare kong barako." And actually, danger zone. I don't know. I don't know who wrote this one. I think it's you who wrote this one, but anyway, I will be like, I will top this thing up here because I think this one is trying to mess up.
Yes, guys, look at that woman. Speaking is so very drunk.
Actually, this is my room before.
No, that's not your room. You just borrow my room.
I saw. Okay, so I rent this room for 700 pesos.
Yes, that's so very affordable price. You know that 700.
700
I
pesos
pay
per month.
2.5. You have 700. Oh no, you're so very lucky.
I was so very lucky because when I got here, I got all the foods I needed, so I
Yeah.
didn't have to buy my own stuff. But please do
Yeah.
water.
Yes.
There you go.
Yes. Jeez.
All the rice there.
No, I have no rice. You already know that.
Actually, there's some 1 second
No.
rice here. Little half.
No, I don't have any rice there.
Okay, let me just tell
You eat that.
Let me just tell you a quick story. So my brother just got into an accident
No.
in a bath, and he got suspended on it. And I
Yes.
think